Good afternoon, West Island. My name is Dario Felice, reporting live for you right now in Pierrefonds with a 2020 spring flood update. Right now I'm at the corner of Gouin Boulevard and René Amard in Pierrefonds. I'm at the back end of the parking lot of the Marina Center, and I wanted to give you an update of the flooding situation here in Pierrefonds and in the West Island. So if we take a look right now, we are seeing that water levels are definitely higher than normal. I'm gonna say that for now. We could see that water is on land here in Pierrefonds in the Marina Center parking lot. And of course we have city teams, Pierrefonds as an example right now, that are in full force putting in preventative measures against the spring floods. So if the water were to rise, they would be ready to bring the water back and stop it from getting into people's homes as much as they can. So both the city of Pierrefonds and Île-Bizard have reported that their minor flood threshold has been reached. So, but water in the Vallée River has lowered in the last 48 hours. So right now, though, we see the city of Pierrefonds is working with pumps in the street to make sure the water is staying off of the land. Just a few minutes ago, I saw a worker right there had to go in the water in a subsuit to make sure everything underground was working well. In Île-Bizard, we visited Île Mercier earlier today, and we saw that water there is very high compared to normal times, and but no houses had been affected so far, reporting today, April 14th at 12:30. So again, cities reporting that water levels are no dangerously high right now, but they are putting in preventative measures to make sure that they are ready in case there is a flood. So we know that there are a lot going on with COVID-19 right now in the area, and of course that means measures will have to be changed compared to the previous years. So that is your flood update right now, live in Pierrefonds, again at Gouin and René Amard at the back of the Marina Center parking lot. Keep updated right here to the West Island blog for all the latest details of flooding and of course breaking news in the West Island. Reporting for you, Dario De Felice, West Island blog.